Hey, what's going on everyone? Here KTR Kadir. This is a super awesome discussion about structure and classes. Here we are going to discuss about what's the definition of the struct and class, as well as what is the syntax for the struct and class, and where to use the struct and class, and what is the difference between the struct and class, and what are the features are in the class and not in the struct, as well as use cases. Before we dive into the tutorial, subscribe my channel for more videos. Here we are going to discuss about the struct and class. The struct and classes are the same syntax, as well as same thing that will be general purpose to flexible the construct to become a building the blocks of programming code to define the methods, variables, constant values, everything in the same in structure as well as classes. So there is no other implementation. It's not a different thing for the struct and the class. As well as in the shift programming language, we don't need to create the interface file to define the some class or struct. We can directly create the implementation file. There the language will be create the interface file to access from there inside of the code. Now we are going to discuss about the comparison of the struct and class. In the struct and class, we can define the properties to store values, as well as create some methods to more functionalities to provide some functionality to the struct and class, as well as we can create some subscripts to provide their value to access by directly without creating any. We don't need to create any function to create some function name as well as parameters to access the particular value, as well as we can create some initializer setups for the struct and class, as well as we can add some functionality to expanded for the struct and class to beyond the default values, default implementations, as well as we can confirm some protocols for each struct and classes. Likewise, the same things, same features available on struct and classes, but the classes has some more features in the classes but not in the struct. Like we can inheritance the class from to enable one class to another class, as well as we can change the typecasting from one class to another class, as well as we can create the deinitialization functions, as well as we can create the reference count for the single class for multiple references. Likewise, the classes has some additional features to implement something. Now we are going to discuss about the syntax. The syntax is nothing but the struct and the classes are the same syntax. We can create some class name like a class name. Inside of that we can define some variables, constants, as well as functions, methods. Like things, same thing we can create some struct. That's nothing but a struct name. Inside of that we can create some let constant, variables, as well as methods to access that. Now we are going to implement the what is struct and what is class, and how to implement the struct and class, and what is the difference between the struct and class. Now we are going to discuss. At first I am creating the class as a class A. Inside of that I am creating the one variable that's and named as a number, and int value as a default value as a 0, as well as same thing I am creating the copy and paste the class and setting that is a struct and the name as a struct A. At the class and the struct name, we have to at the first character should be caps, because of this is a class. So that also the struct we have to set the first character as a capitalized, but the variable let constant as well as method means the first character should be small character. Likewise, we have to create the struct and class. Now I created the struct and classes. Now I am going to create the instance for the class. That's in a class A is equal to, I am declaring the class A and printing the class A dot number, as well as I am changing the class A dot number is equal to 10, and I am printing the class A dot number. Now we can see the class A dot number is equal to 10. At the same time I am creating the another instance for the class, that's a class A copy, that is nothing but class A. I am defining the same thing, the same reference, because of the class is called by reference, so we the instance will not create the more than one, but the same value will be passed to the same reference will be passed to the class A to class A copy. So when we print the class A copy dot number, that will be the value will be automatically 10, as well as when we update the class A copy dot number is equal to 20 means the class A copy dot number will be set as 20, as well as when we print the class A dot number, the value will be same, because of the reference will be the same for the class A as well as class A copy. Now you can see the class A copy number as well as class A numbers are same, because of the reference will be same, so we can't able to set the different value for the each reference, each instance. But in the struct we that will be not like this, like we can create the struct class, struct instance, struct A is equal to struct A initialized, as well as when we set some struct A dot number is equal to 5 or 10. Now when we print the struct A number, struct A dot number, that will be prints the 10, but before that when we create the class, that we can create some let class is equal to class init, but in the struct when we change the initial value of number, we don't need to, we can't able to create the let value because of the compiler error. We can change the variable where struct A is equal to struct A init, then only we can set the value to the struct variables, as well as when we create the struct A copy and setting the struct A as a value. Here when we print the struct A copy dot number, we can get this initial value of the struct number value, that's a 0, as well as when we set the struct A copy is equal to struct A, the same thing will be we get, because of we are in the value only passing from the initial, because of we can't able to set the same reference for the struct, so that we can be pass the value in the struct, but in the reference if we need to pass the reference means we can use the classes. Likewise we can see the difference between the struct as well as classes. Now we can see the use cases. Use cases is there is some complex to define. We can choose what is class, what is a struct, when we use the class, when we use the struct. There is some small difficult, because of the struct will be, we can create some setup to create some variables functionalities that is defined as a struct. We can create the copy of the struct and we can use that struct with the different instance, but the class we can't able to create the copy of the class. We can be create the reference for the class only, so we can create the number of references to access the same values, same functions. Like this we can create the class and struct by using that. We can tell the use cases like struct is nothing but we can create some model classes or else any some view models. We can go to the we can choose the struct class. But when we create some classes when we create classes means that will be create the reference to create the another instance to access the same reference, and we can implement on there. Likewise, we can create the struct and classes by the different ways. I hope you watch the video as well as I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.